Learn English with Titanic movie. Dive into tenses with Titanic. Present perfect continuous tense with timeline. Present perfect continuous tense. Timeline. The present perfect continuous tense is used when the action started at X in the past and has been ongoing until now, emphasizing the duration. For a clearer understanding, pause the video and look at the timeline below. Titanic examples, focus on how long something has been happening. The explorers have been searching for the heart of the ocean for many years. Old Rose has been telling her story about the Titanic for hours. The water in the lower decks has been rising slowly since the ship hit the iceberg. People on the lifeboats have been waiting for a rescue ship for many hours. Scientists have been studying the Titanic wreck for decades. Like, comment and subscribe.